Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub. I'm your Ielts speaking examiner. What's your name, please?
My name is Tayyib. You can
Oh.
call me Tayyib.
All right, that's good. So, do you work or study?
I work for in a company.
Okay, are you ready to take your Ielts test?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's take a start. What kind of physical exercises do you do?
Actually, the most lovable exercise which I do is push-ups. That requires your full body exercise, and that is really effective. That only exercise is which you can consume or do to which can pull out your full body muscles, and that is really effective.
Okay, do you think children should play sports regularly?
Yes, sir. I obviously recommend that children should go for any kind of sports activity because laying at home can make them idle.
All right, what was your favorite sport when you were a child?
In a child, in a street, we used to play in streets like cricket, but we love to play soccer as well. But due to the limited space, we often restricted to cricket only. So that is the only thing.
Okay. Do you like extreme sports or adventurous sports?
Yes, sir. I love to play extreme sports like martial arts and other things that require a lot of physical activity, and that yes, I love them.
Okay. What kind of exercises are popular in your country?
In my country, all kind of exercise usually in popular, ranging from athletic types to beginners. Like you can choose anyone like cricket, football. That is sports, I mean. But in terms of exercises, you can say all kind of.
Okay, very good. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your cue card. Okay, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Sure. Shall I start?
Yes.
Uh, Among most of the companies in world which we encounter on daily basis, the TBL I chose is the most admirable from my side, because as a marketing person, marketing a business person, I love the marketing things that promote promotion of products and other services. Like we like to sell. With time, a marketing segment has promoted itself as a major field in life, in today's life, and we are not only restricted to selling the product physically, but social media and different marketing techniques have been involved today that are helping other business to promote. The ideal company which I just spoke, that is TBL. That is my ideal company. I would one day I would love to work for that company in USA, and that is an excellent career promoter company. You can learn in that company as much as you can, because there isn't any limit in marketing. Every day you are encounter or face those situations that is challenging to you, and with time those challenges are becoming reality, and you have to face them. As long as you face them, you become more pro or excellent or expert in that, and with time your expertise becomes skills to you, and those skills are responsible for giving you a yield or productive outcome at the end. Thank you.
Okay. We now move on with IELTS speaking part 3. What are the differences between a big company and a small company?
In big company, I believe as a business professional, I believe they are more organized, and in a small company you have to do your tasks and small things by yourself, and this is a major thing, I believe.
Are
Difference.
there many big companies in your country?
Yes, actually, but they are foreign companies which they have took their business here and they are working on them.
Okay, what are the good things about working for a big company, or what are the benefits of working for a big company?
The biggest benefit which I have assumed or which I have perceived is the charm that or the tag which come along with your name, that I work for that person or that company. And wherever or you go, whenever someone asks about you, that where you work, you can easily recognize by the achievement, because of that company or name is title or tag come with you.
Okay, how can a small company grow big?
Small company only grows when you are dedicated to that company or the duties given to you, the employees. If employees are loyal to all the things which are being given to you, you can grow. You not only you grow, the company grow as well.
Okay, do you think big companies should donate more money to charities?
Yes, actually, they already. I witnessed many companies that are already involved in doing many kind of donation on charitable activities, like they are promoting free education, as well as they are promoting like they are also trying to reduce the poverty alleviation kind of thing, and so they are already productively working in country.
All right. Tayyab, thank you very much.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
the end of your IELTS speaking test.
Welcome,
Take care.
sir. Thank you.